Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Chef Will gonna show you how to marinate your chicken. It's a great summer recipe. It's barbecue season is coming up, so I got some chicken breast here. I'm gonna show you how to do a quick marinade on your chicken breast. Really good flavor to put in there. You can use on your salad or whatever sandwich you like, but I'm just gonna show you how to marinate this chicken. So I got 6 pieces of chicken breast here, the really big ones. So I'm just gonna cut them in half. They haven't washed yet. I'm gonna wash them in a while. I got some lime. You can use lime or lemon to wash your chicken, but I'm just gonna show you how you can cut these chicken, and you can get 2 servings out of 1 right here. All right, so you kind of like butterfly these chicken. So you want to get them on your board and get it nice and flat, and your hands sit on top. Put your knife right in the center and you cut right across. So easy. Alright, so this is 6 pieces I'm going to use. So I'm just going to cut these, wash them, and we're going to jump right in and get some marinade right on them. I'll show you step by step how I marinate it, what I put on. Alright, so right here my chicken breast already cut. I got some fresh lime going inside here. Wash my chicken nicely. And I also had a little bit, about a tablespoon of vinegar inside the water. So these are nice and washed. I'm going to drain them, get them into this bowl, and we're going to get the marinade going, all right? So, okay, the chicken is ready to get the marinade right now. So I got some fresh flat leaf Italian parsley right here. We're going to use it. These already washed. I'm just going to rough chop this. Going to go right on my chicken. I also have a half of a red onion right here. It's going to go inside. So you take your parsley, crush it together or fold it with a rough chop. This will put a lot of flavor in your grilled chicken, and that's what you're looking for. Turn up the flavor. So that's a rough chop right there. Just toss that right inside my bowl of chicken right here. Hopefully you can see that. All right, and the onions, you can cut it however you like. All right, I'm just gonna do some rings. We can remove it. It's just gonna sit in the marinade and helps to put some flavor inside the chicken as well. I got half of a fresh lemon right here. I'm just gonna squeeze that right on top of my chicken. All right. Then what I'm gonna do, right here I have some fresh garlic. Let's start out with the fresh garlic. All right. I like to chop my garlic and just put some oil inside and keep it in the fridge. All right, I'll put a tablespoon of that inside. So I said I'm looking for some flavor inside the chicken. Very important to have some flavor. And I got some mixed herb right here. I'm just gonna put a teaspoon on top of the chicken right there. So that has this spice. It has chili pepper inside. It has rosemary, oregano, and basil. All right. And here I have a tablespoon of chicken spice. You can use whatever chicken spice you like. All right. So I'm just gonna get that right on top. I don't want it too salty, so I'm just using a tablespoon. And here I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Just gonna get that right in here. And here I have 1.5 teaspoon of paprika. This is smoked paprika. I'm gonna add a little bit more to this. Bump it up to a tablespoon, all right? Because I love the flavor of smoked paprika. Gives the chicken a really good taste. Just want to shake that right over it. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go in with the olive oil, all right? You want enough olive oil on your chicken to help the marinade to get inside that chicken, soak. When you pop it open, you can smell that nice aroma coming from your chicken, all right? Moment to touch your barbecue. And this, you can let it marinate for an hour, or for the next day, you can use it, all right? You marinate it, put it in your fridge, you can keep it up to 3 days in there, then, or you freeze it, all right? You just want to rub it right in. Get the flavors in there. Look at that color from the paprika. It's beautiful, standing out in the marinade. Smells so good as well. Beautiful. All right, so you can let this sit, as I said, for a couple of days or a day, or you can give it a couple hours if you need it. But I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna grill a few pieces later. We'll show you guys when I pop that on my barbecue grill. All right, it's beautiful outside. We're gonna get some grilled chicken going. So I'll catch you later when this chicken is finished marinating. All right. So just wanna show you guys some of these beautiful chicken that's gonna go on the barbecue grill right now. All right, I give it a nice spray, and the barbecue is nice and hot. As you can see, it's flaming right now. I'm gonna get these chicken breasts right on. So if you want to get nice marks on your chicken, this is the moment you can give it a nice turn, twist it around so you get that nice marks on there. Alright, and you want to wait until, to flip your chicken over, you want to wait until the outside, you can start seeing that nice white on the outside. Looks like it's cooked. As soon as the outside right around get nice and white, you know when to flip it. That's the time you flip the chicken over. It's not ready to flip as yet. As you can see, it's getting there. The edges are getting nice and white. That will tell you when to flip your chicken over. Alright, so we're just gonna let these cook. So right now is the time to flip over this chicken. So that beautiful color on there. Looking great. So that's how you get that nice color on your barbecue chicken right there. Alright, lovely. And as I said, you can have this with your salad, whatever you like, sandwich. Alright, so that's my quick video and how to marinate your chicken. There's so many different ways you can marinate your chicken and get it to grill. all right, or throw it in the oven. So I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. If you're new to the channel right now, don't forget to hit subscribe and share it, and I'll catch you in a new video.